If you're wondering, the Philippine eagle is often called a dangerous bird, but it's not a monster that hunts on humans. It is a dangerous bird because it fears Felix apex predator. Years ago, when scientists first discovered this massive eagle, they gave it the scientific name Piscophaga jeffreyi, which literally translates to monkey eater. The locals whispered stories about a giant shadow that would swoop down from the clouds. Especially we have a monkey in Papangatu beach from the ocean. Clouds completely silent and snatch full-grown monkeys right up to the highest tree branches because it hunts in the thick canopy of the rainforest and vowed to be incredibly smart, patient, and little. The Philippine eagle is built like prehistoric raptor. If you look closely at its body, you can see its dangerous hunting tools. First, the dagger beak. It has massive, high-arched plumage, black beak. It is sharp enough to tear to a thick animal, hide and crush bones instantly. The grizzly talons. Second, its legs are thick and scaly and ending in pitch black claws that are stronger and sharper than leopards' claw when it grabs its prey. The grip is so powerful that the animal cannot move or fight back. Third, the apex vision. It can see 8 times clearer than a human. It can sit completely still on the branch kilometer away, spot a small animal moving in the bushes, and plan its attack. Fourth, what makes it dangerous? The menu. White dogs eat monkeys like the Philippine long-tailed macaque. I don't know what's the. It is dangerous to almost any medium-sized animal in the forest. Its favorite target include: first, flying lemurs, kagwang. It plucks them right up the air as they glide between trees. Second, large snakes and monitors, bayawak. It fights and kills venomous snakes on the forest floor. Third, civet cats and flying foxes. It hunts nocturnal mammals when they come out to feed. The real story, a gentle giant. Even though it is a deadly hunter, the Philippine eagle has a very soft side. They are monogamous, whereas killing a Philippine eagle, meaning they choose one mate and stay together for their entire lives. If a partner dies, the remaining eagle often refuse to find a new mate. They also take care of their babies. I feel bad. They also take care of their babies for up to 2 years, with both the mom and daddy eagle working together to protect and feed their single chick. Sadly, the eagle is not the most dangerous creature in the forest. Humans are, because humans actually hunt eagles and birds. Humans are especially dangerous. So, if your dad is a hunter, or you gotta tell your dad not to hunt every animal because they're nature. If you have to get that job before. Now continue. Humans are, because of illegal logging and shooting, this beautiful national bird is now critically endangered today. It is protected like a king, and hurting one carries a massive jail sentence. The end.